Hey everyone, welcome back to another tech video. In this video, I'm going to show you that how you can resolve the issue. Issue is that your Pinterest app is not working properly in your iPhone, maybe iPad. Just like that, I'm going to the Pinterest and it's working normally. That's good. But in your case, it's not working properly in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So how you can resolve the issue? Simply just follow all the settings. I'm going to tell that in this video to fix your issue. Simply just going to the settings and you have to make sure that you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Also make sure that VPN is not connected. If you have a connected VPN, just disconnect it. After that, just going to general section and just see the option of a software update. Just tap on that and just update the latest iOS version in your iPhone and iPad. And as again scroll it down and just find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Just tap on that and just tap on reset and reset the network settings from here. Just going back and going up and you see the option of iPhone storage. Just tap on that and just scroll it down and just find the app of a Pinterest. Just scroll and show all, tap on that, and the option of a Pinterest is showing in my section. Just tap on that and the option of offload app. Just tap on that and you just upload the app and again install app from that section. After doing all the stuff, make sure your problem gonna solve. If your problem not gonna solve, simply just tap on that app and just install the app from here and again download from the app store. Just simply just going to the app store and just search up Pinterest and just download the Pinterest in your iPhone, maybe iPad. So that's the setting you have to make sure to fix your issue, and also that's the settings you have to make sure to resolve your problem. So that's the video. Make sure you like our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos.